Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ashraf Muhtadi bin Muhammad Arshad with my partner Alif Nazmi bin Muhammad Nazir. We are from RK08 Mechanical Engineering. For our project for EQT271 Engineering Statistics, our project title is Boat or Vessel Registered License. Okay, first of all, I will start with our project background. For our project background, for the first one is review the data of the boats or vessel that being registered for a license in Brunei from 2000 to 2019. And the second one, show the total of the license, registration, and the patent through each year for variety boats or vessel. And the third one, from 2000 to 2014, all boats or vessel has been registered. Start from 2015 to 2019. Cargo boats and leisure craft has zero registration. And the last one is, there is three variable. There is year from 2000 to 2019. The second one, type of boat or vessel. And the last one is total license for boats or vessel from 2000 to 2019. The next slide is I will explain about our project objective. In our project, we can explain four objectives that we find out in our project. Objective number one is to identify the trend of total boat or vessel license from the year 2000 to 2019. And the second one is our project objective is to investigate the pattern of 5 types of boat or vessel license from 2000 to 2019. And the number 3, we need to compare type of boat or vessel that is dominant for 2 decades. Start from 2000 to 2010 and 2010 to 2019. And the last one is our project objective to find 5 numerical summary of boat or vessel that registered for license in Brunei from 2000 to 2019. That is our project objective. Okay, for this slide, I'm gonna explain about data and description. Start with population. In our project, the population is the number of boat or vessel owner in Brunei, and the sample is boat or vessel owner that registered license in Brunei. In this project, we will explain about this. For the type of variable, like always, the number one is qualitative variable, and the second one is quantitative variable. For the qualitative variable, we have two in our project. The number one is type of boat or vessel, and the number two is year. That is start from 2000 to 2019. And the quantitative variable, we have only one. That is number of license registered from 2000 to 2019. In this slide, I will explain about the method that we use in our project, how we identify the data, how we sort out the data, and anything else. The method that we use is we have a few method or a few chart that we use. For the from the slide before, the objective, here we change the name of objective. We just use as analysis 1, analysis 2, analysis 3, and analysis 4. The concept is same, but we just change the name for easy to make our work easier. And for the analysis 1 or objective 1, we just use the two type of chart. That is line chart template and the stack group bar chart. For the line chart, we use it to find out the trend or identify the trend or pattern. And the number 2, we use stack bar chart to we compare to our data. We can compare our data using this stack bar chart. And for the analysis 2 or objective 2, we also use the stack bar chart to compare the data. And with same with analysis 1, we use a line chart, but for the analysis 2 or objective 2, we use the stack line chart with markers, and easy to us to see the data and the trend, and we also can, with the markers, we also know the highest peak or the highest value in the data. And for the analysis 3 or objective 3, we just use the pie chart. The all we know is pie chart is using to we know to separate the percentage, to separate the data, and we can also know which data is more like we say is more highest data in our project. And for the analysis 4 or objective 4, we same with analysis 1 and analysis 2, we also use the line chart but with markers, stack line chart with markers, to like I explained in analysis 2, we used it to find out the pattern, or we, for the markers, we need to we can know about the highest, and can know the certain of the data that we want to know with the markers. And for the last one is we use the table. This table is just we want to sort out the data and to identify the data, which data and which group is the data belong is. Okay, before my partner Alif Nazmi take over the presentation, I will explain first about analysis 1 or objective 1. As I say before, in our analysis 1, we use two chart. That is, first, we use the line chart, and the second one is we use stack bar chart. For the line chart, as I say before, we use it to know the pattern of the graph, or of the data, and the second one is stack bar chart, we use it to compare the data. First, I will explain about the line chart. As we see here, from the line chart, it shows more clearly how the pattern of total book of vessel changed drastically from 2011 to 2012. As we see here, from 2000 to 2011, and it changed from 2012 to 2019. From 2000 to 2011, the line pattern showed that the number of registered license have small difference in total value for boat or vessel license. Meanwhile, in after 2012, it experienced decrement. As we see here, from the 2000 to 2011, it only have the small difference in total value for boat or vessel. In I do the line here, and it start from 2012, it experienced decrement. As we see here, the circle that I do, here the decrement start from 2012, it start the decrement. And from the stack bar chart, we can observe the total number boat of vessel that registered for license in Brunei by year from 2000 to 2019. Here we can see here, like always, the number, and here the year. And we can see here, from the first half here, the first half 2000 to 2011, observation that we can see here, the boat of vessel for license smaller than the second half. Here the first half, here the second half. It say here the first half is smaller than the second half, that we can observe. And we see the fluctuation of values start in 2012. Here we can see the fluctuation start, and the total data is of boat and vessel is 1414 total number of boat and vessel.
Okay, next for analysis 2, we are using a 100% stack bar chart for finding the pattern of type for boat or vessel through 19 years from 2000 to 2019. Okay, the results show here that how dominant that certain type here before 2012 and after 2010, which is here. Okay, what we want to highlight is the fishing boat and the passenger boat, which show a major shift that happened to them in the line chart. It shows how big is the effect in finding the pattern, and we can suggest that how important and how much user that this boat or vessel have in Brunei. Okay, from my investigation, we found that from certain sources that Brunei have started to straight their law to make sure that any fishing boat are mandatory to register their license in 2011. That's why fishing boat show a drastic fluctuation from in 2011 with 58% to 88%. Okay, for analysis 3, you are trying to compare the type of boat or vessel that dominant for 2 decades, which is 2000-2010 and 2010 to 2019. And the result that we get from the pie chart here, it shows that the first decade only passenger boat they are having a percentage above 20%. Meanwhile, the other four are having only on average from 4% to 50%. For the second decade, it shows that 2010 and 2019, all the type of boat or vessel are having decrement except the fishing boat that experience a major shift with increment of 58%. That means it's just I decade that this type have conquered almost half of the pie chart in second decade. Okay, for analysis 4, we try to look from the view that the chart not show clearly, which is the development of the three minor type of boat or vessel licensed in Brunei. Okay, for the three minor type, we're using a table of 5 number summary to look at mean, maximum, range, and mean. It shows that the range is quite big for the leisure craft, followed by government vessel and a cargo boat. This happened because leisure craft have a certain year that license are being having a zero register, which is 2016 and 2017. The peak show here in line chart, which is in green light, where the leisure craft in 2012 with 82 being registered and the other two is in 2004. It also shows that after 2012, which is here, all license that are being registered for the three type is below the 50. And lastly, a conclusion from this data. Okay, we got the data from the Maritime and Port Authority of Brunei Darussalam, MPABD. And from the data that we get is total of boat or vessel that registered for license in 2012 is the highest, which is 1,414, while for 2006 is the lowest with 180. And from all the total boat of vessel that registered for license in 2000 to 2019, which is through the issue, to the fishing boat record is the highest percentage with 57%, followed by the passenger boat with 25%. That we look at the chart earlier. How dominant is the fishing boat in the chart, in the pie chart, in the step bar chart too. Okay, from the data, we can also look how the development or pattern that changed from two period, which is before 2011 and after 2011. Thank you.